Hi, and welcome to Lansweeper's scanning tutorials. Lansweeper's unique scanning algorithm automatically discovers IT networks of all sizes using a wide range of network protocols. In this video, we will focus on the discovery of Mac computers. Scanned OS X data includes operating system, model, memory, processor, disk partition information, network interfaces, installed software, and more. In order for Lansweeper to scan Mac operating systems, you need to set up a user with SSH access to the computer. You can do this by enabling remote login for this user. In the Lansweeper web console, go to the Scanning Target section and hit the Add Scanning Target button to submit your Mac computer's IP range. Next, under Scanning Credentials, submit your SSH username and password. You can rest assured that these username and password combinations are always encrypted and stored locally. Finally, you just need to map these credentials to the IP range you previously created. Once everything is set up correctly, Lansweeper is ready to scan your Mac computers and detailed information is just a click away.